Before setting up, be sure the ground surface is clear of debris and any obstructions that could damage the bund. Lay out the ground mat so it is flat and in its final position. Move the folded bund into the center of the ground mat and unfold it. Raise the walls by deploying the legs. Extend the leg joint away from the bund. To secure it, push the free end of the leg support down into the seam where the bund wall meets the base. If using a liner, install it now. Place it in the center of the bund and unfold it. If driving a load into the bund, you will need to collapse the wall on one side of the bund. A collapsed wall can be driven over and into as required. For added protection, you can cover the collapsed wall where tires will traverse the wall. Chatoyer's portable containment bunds are useful for mitigating any spill risks. For example, these bunds can be used to store paint tins, drums, IBCs, ISO tanks, shipping containers, generators, and various plant and equipment such as excavator buckets, cranes, and vehicles. Once the contents are loaded into the bund, erect the collapsed wall. To unload the bund, collapse a wall in order to drive or walk in and out of the bund. Once the contents are removed, wipe the bund and liner to clean away spills and dirt. Allow it to dry completely before packing it away. You can leave the liner inside to fold it. Keep in mind this will add to the weight and bulk of the finished folded product. Collapse the legs on one side, fold the corners in, and make sure the legs are not on the outside of the bund. Once the side is down, tuck the external flap under the legs. Now collapse and tuck the opposite side, and then the two remaining sides. Evenly fold each side, folding from the outside edge toward the middle. Make sure all the legs are aligned straight when you start. Once the folded sides meet, overlap on each other, and start folding from the long side. The ground mat may need to be cleaned. You can do so with soap and water or a pressure washer. Ensure it is completely dry before folding and storing it. Chatoyer's portable containment bunds can be manufactured in custom sizes with options such as drain ports, higher walls for added capacity, and heavy-duty materials. Carry bags are suggested to safely move and store your product and protect it for years to come.